In 1776, Pensacola was part of British West Florida. Florida was not part of the American Revolution because it was heavily dependent upon the British Crown. So in 1776, the citizens of this area were living their daily lives, and what was on the table depended upon the sea, the soil, and the British supply ships. Pensacola's residents relied on salt pork, dried peas, cornmeal, and hardtack, staples shipped from Britain. Fresh fish from the bay supplemented diets. Corn, squash, and wild game came from trade with native communities. Meals were cooked over open hearths, cast iron pots suspended over flame. Bread was dense. Water was often unsafe. Ale and rum were common. 250 years of taste, tradition, and history reflected right here in Pensacola's historic village.